Yes, it has crashed, and we've tracked some of this through the overnight. It was a cold front that was making its way down to the south. Severe thunderstorms moved through northeast Arkansas on Wednesday night. This is video of a possible tornado. Now, the storm leaving behind damaged homes and businesses. Now that system is moving in our direction. All right, so we have to be on the lookout for that here already, and now starting to slide a little bit further down to the south is where you're going to find that. Now, we did have a severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect, but that warning has begun to expire. Now, there's another one a little bit further down to the south, our extreme southern county. This is Lamar County, right here. You see where Barnesville is. This is Lamar County. Now that county ends and moves into Monroe County right there. You can see the border there. Monroe is out of our viewing area, but that storm is headed in that direction. You can see the numerous lightning strikes with it. Winds up to about 60 miles per hour and could be producing quarter-size hail. Okay, so if you're in Lamar County, especially the northwestern or northeastern corner of the state, as the county is where you'll find some of that very heavy rain. This will last until 6:30. That severe thunderstorm warning until 6:30. Again, this is far down to the south. Now, just north of that, for example, over toward McDonough, between McDonough and Locust Grove, you got some very heavy rain coming down. A cluster of thunderstorms there, and not severe, but could be producing some very gusty winds, maybe up to 40, maybe up to 50 miles per hour. A little bit further over toward the east, you can see in there Madison, headed up towards Greensboro. You have some cluster of thunderstorms there. Godfrey, you'll get on some of this heavy rain as well. Back off to the west, yeah, we got another little cluster of thunderstorms. So they're all around. Again, the only severe weather is further down to the south of us, but again, the cluster of thunderstorms all around. Further off to the north, you got some moderate rainfall coming down, starting to come to an end already in our northwestern counties. That's going to be our trend for the morning. By the afternoon, we'll finally get some sunshine in. Here's your forecast for today, 4 Central Times of the day. We call it the forecast. You're looking at 72 degrees by noon. 77 will be your afternoon high temperature, and we'll drop back down to 69 degrees and really start to cool off as we head into the evening. Those winds will start to pick up behind this front that's going to move through. Winds will be out of the northwest, blowing up to about 20 miles per hour. Gusts will be a little bit higher than that at times, again, as this front moves through, but we will have the sunshine around. I think it will be on the warm side today. Notice this light green shade over us. Yesterday we had that yellow over much of the state. Well, that means a general threat for thunderstorms, and we have them out there at least for this morning. Further down to the south, we'll have to deal with it as this system moves down. Now, according to our forecast track model, it shows as the system moves down, it starts to break up a little bit. For us, we'll see the clouds breaking up and we'll get the sunshine in here. This is by mid-morning into the afternoon. So early afternoon, we'll finally start to see a lot of sunshine around. Again, those winds will be part of the story for today as well. Clouds will move back into the forecast area by Friday morning. This is by about 6:30 in the morning, but it won't last. It gets out of the way and we'll have mostly sunny skies. Now a touch cooler as temperatures, high temperatures, will only be in the low 60s for Friday. Saturday starts off fine as well. So if you have early morning plans this Easter weekend on Saturday, I think you're going to be fine. You'll notice the clouds begin to increase late in the day. We'll wind up with mostly cloudy skies as we head into the evening, and then we'll be watching this area of low pressure that's going to be sliding toward us, which will bring in more rain for Easter Sunday, maybe a clap of thunder or two. So kind of a half empty, half full Easter weekend. Saturday, again, fine. Late clouds will get to increase near 70 for your high temperature. 68 on Easter Sunday with a 70% chance for that rain, maybe a clap of thunder or two. Should be clearing it out on Monday. We'll start off with a few clouds. We'll give it a 20% chance of rain in the morning. But by the afternoon, we'll get the sunshine back. And it looks like we're going to remain dry for much of next week with those temperatures close to seasonal averages, closer to 70 degrees instead of those temperatures closer to 80. Crash Clark, back over to you.